It's your boy No Chill Chat checking in. And I just want to say, I know it's been a minute. I mean, it's been a minute since I made a vlog, video, write-up, install. I mean, I've just had so much going on lately. With just work, my career, car stuff, So I guess I'm definitely have to get back on it coming this next year. I told myself that I wasn't going to sleep on myself this next year. I have so much potential. I have a lot of things that I got planned, and I just really need to stop sleeping on myself. I really just been chilling after we got the wheels, tires, brakes on the car, just being able to come out to a couple shows, debut them. I'm loving the feedback that everybody's giving. It's a lot of love. It really brought the car out. The stopping power has been just incredible. So I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. So I've really just kind of been chilling, really to see what's going to be my next move. As you might have remembered, my daily, I had sold my Ram. My daily, I had got somebody rear-ended me, totaled it out, and I was kind of just chilling. I really didn't want to make another move because I travel a lot for work. So after work kind of kept me home for a little bit, I was like, okay, I need another car, I need another daily, and how these used cars and everything are going, new cars, interest rates, all of that. I wasn't sure if I was ready to jump back in something big, small, whatever it may be. But I was able to just go ahead and negotiate, work out some numbers, and this is what I ended up. 2019 GMC Sierra SLT, not a Denali. It's right under that though. X31. This is the 6.2 with the 4-wheel drive Texas edition. I got it tinted. Mod effects did the tint. So pretty good little daily slider. Everything I pretty much need for the most part. For a while, you know that I took the truck from Houston and I drove it to Orlando, towing my car just to see how it would ride. And when I tell you, man, this 6.2 was perfect. Even though I still love my diesel truck, this right here did the job. I had no issues whatsoever. It felt like I was still driving a diesel truck. So I'm super satisfied with this thing right here. First, I was kind of using it as a little stepping stone. They only have it for a little bit, but I'm really considerate about just go ahead and keeping this thing, to be honest. It's got everything I need, and I got it for a stupid deal, stupid price. Shout out to Bayway Dodge in Pasadena, Texas. Right now, it's Christmas time in H-Town, you know what I'm saying? And I'm out here really about to do some Christmas shopping and stuff like that. I'm behind, I still got to do some traveling. But I actually got a couple things coming in, man. Got some things in the works for the truck. Got some things in the work for the car. So next year, we definitely going up. I want you to make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling. I got LS Fest West on my list, LS Fest Texas. I got Texas 2K. We definitely have PRI. We definitely have SEMA. A lot of other major shows, some truck shows I'm going to be attending. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more 2023 than I've ever done before. Regardless if I have my car or my truck with me, I'm going to have my camera with me. I'm about to start doing photography again. I've been sleeping on that. So you're going to see a lot of new production media promoting everything from me. So I hope you just stay tuned, lock it in, and just enjoy the ride. I got some new merch coming. Oh, you're going to love the new merch. I'm telling you, this next year is going to be crazy. Definitely tell me what you think about my new truck, man. Oh, and I definitely got something new. Check this. I got me some more rock lights, man. The same people that did the rock lights on my 2500 Ram are the same company that got me a set of the new rock lights that they have for any vehicle. Trucks, side-by-sides, motorcycles, whatever it is, they got it. So last time we did 12 rock lights. This time we're gonna do another 12 rock lights, but they've upgraded it. So last time they were pretty bright, but I'm not gonna lie. These new ones are freaking huge. So the last ones were bright, but these are so much bigger than what I had last time. So I think I'm gonna illuminate this whole entire truck. Yeah, I do plan on getting it lifted. I do plan on getting some wheels and tires. You know, we're gonna try to go with the Gear Off-Road, the same brand that I rock with on my Ram. They're so super helpful. The fitment was perfect. Never had any issues, never cracked or anything of the sort. So, I mean, we're definitely gonna get this thing together. No Chill Chad style. We're gonna be out in the streets. We're gonna be outside 2023, man. Shout out to Holley Performance. Shout out to Bear Brakes. Shout out to BC Forge. Shout out to them, man. I went down to Orlando, you know, spoke to all the guys over there, Jonathan, Dan. Appreciate everything, man. Cool guys. Make sure you check them out. J-Rod Speed Shop. Shout out to them, of course. Gear Off-Road, Loyal Lights. I appreciate it. And like I say, man, we're going to get this thing popping. 2023 is about to be litty, man, for real. So just stay tuned. I got a lot of new stuff coming. So, man, just stay tuned for the ride. Enjoy the ride, because 2023, probably the biggest I've ever done it, you know, that I'm going to do it. So like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see on the truck. Tell me what you're ready to see on the car. Tag a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. Follow me on social media, NoChillChat.com. And man, I'm going to see you guys soon, definitely for the new year. Holla.